Firefox finally has a built-in profile manager, so you can have separate profiles for your bookmarks, passwords, themes, extensions, and preferences. Simply go to the menu at the top and click on Profiles. You can create a new profile or manage profiles. If you go to Manage Profiles, you should see a window that looks like this. It looks very similar to the profile manager in Google Chrome. You can edit your profile, change the name, set theme, and an avatar, or create a profile. Give it a name, set a theme, its avatar, and done. When you want to switch to a different profile, simply go to the menu, click your current profile name, and select the profile you want to load into. And now I've got a new profile for work. To delete a profile, simply go back to the Profiles menu and click on the little trash can next to the profile name. Confirm you want to delete the data, and done. And that's a look at the new profile manager in Firefox.